Yikes. Accident. Yeah. What up? Welcome to today's video. Today's gonna be more preparation for hot import nights. Still gotta go and take some more pictures, some more better pictures, so I can submit them. So hopefully we can make this show. But I've been meaning to show this for a while, but I haven't. This is my, what I would say, as you can see, my to-do list, things that I would like to do left on the stick before I can, quote-unquote, say it's done or whatnot. I haven't check marked it in a while, but you see like the vinyl wrap is already done. We already finished the vinyl wrap job. That's done. Then we got, fully built transmission basically, and these are the prices, the general prices that I paid for each of these parts, as you can see. It's good to keep a list, guys, of what you actually want to do to modify a car as you're modifying the car. You don't kind of just start just buying random things. You want to stay on task, And this obviously helped me stay on task as far as things that were getting done. Now, obviously, we've already done the dress-up bolt engine kit. We've already done that. We've already done the actual door inserts and everything. We're actually going to repair the door inserts probably in this video. Go and take the door apart, re-staple it back down, and kind of came back up. We'll take care of that. And then, guys, you guys saw, hopefully last video, you already saw the new custom headliner. So we're going to go ahead and mark those off. So those are the things I'd like to do. See a lot of check marks. Wasn't like this. It takes time to, again, the stuff I've already previously done, like the turbo kit tune. Obviously, I didn't put that on here because I made this list after all that stuff was done. But if you are going to modify a car, it's really good just to make a to-do list. Put all the stuff that you would like to do to the car, and how much it's going to cost for each. And use this kind of like as a milestone as you're getting things done, check, and so forth. And you keep track of where you're at with the build. And again, I never say you want to keep track of how much money you put into it, because this isn't a cheap hobby. But having a car that's unique to you, that's kind of priceless. So, okay. So like I already told you, pretty much we're going to do this video. We're going to work on fixing the door insert again. Staples kind of came out. So we'll take care of that, as well as I got a... now I wouldn't say new, but I say new to me, but a new product from Chemical Guys. Yeah, you know that company, those boys, Chemical Guys. Zoom in on that. There you go. And so we're gonna go ahead and open this up, show you what I got. Again, we're filming this in 4K. Instead of doing it in 60, I did 4K 30. We'll see. Last video came out pretty good. So I'm gonna open this up, show you what I bought and what I got. Alright, so move all that stuff out. So let's show you what I got. So I got this as a whole kit. I didn't buy this individually. It's a whole kit that they actually sell. They actually have two versions of this kit. I got the newer version of it because I want the newer brush. So we got the microfiber towels. See, Chemical Guys, microfiber. There's an actual order number for that. Then we got, this is what I wanted right here. The new, I just came out with the new brush line. It's a new nice stuff, heavy duty carpet interior cleaner. Obviously, you can pretty much tell what we're doing with this right here. There you guys go. For upholstery. This is for upholstery. So since I took the plastic off of the seats, the passenger seat has some stains on it. So I tried my method of getting the stains out, didn't work. So that's why I ended up buying a full interior kit for Chemical Guys. I've been using their products. They work pretty good. And so they came out with this new brush line for it with the new brush chemicals. So I'm like, hell, let's get it. Here's what I'm looking for right here. This is what we need right here, the lightning fast stain extractor. You see that? Lightning fast stain extractor. This is the stuff that we're going to use to get any stain out of any type of fabric. They have a whole video that they just made. A video just posted on them cleaning like an old Corolla that's been in a salvage yard, and this stuff just eating this thing. So hopefully this stuff should take the little stains out of the inner of these seats, as well as might try them on the seatbelt, see how it goes. I'll have to cover everything else up, but mostly, like I said, I want to get the seat back to get those stains out. So we'll see how it goes. And then as a bonus, they also gave me, I don't know what this stuff is. They also gave me some Total Interior Cleaner and Protected. dash, glass, navigation. So it's kind of almost like the other stuff that I have. So this is specific for the interior. This came with the kit. Remember, I do have some interior cleaner. Matter of fact, let me go grab it right quick. Here's the other interior cleaner that I got from them. You see interior quick detailer, all surfaces, all purpose. This looks like this is multi-purpose cleaner. I've been using this. It works pretty well. But since I got this interior cleaner right here, total interior, this is the new stuff, and it's for the glass. I'm definitely gonna use on the glass along with that streak-free. That streak-free shit works, so for sure. So I'm gonna use this along with the streak-free, definitely for the glass. This is navigation more. Obviously, I own it now, so I'm gonna try it on the interior. See which one is better, but you see they're both interior. One says quick detail, and this one looks like, I don't see a difference. You're gonna wipe it down either way, so who knows? I just know that this will work on glass. So if anything, I use this on the glass and then couple it with the streak cleaner that I have, so there's no streaks. Because this is the entire kit. I know you guys are gonna ask nothing else. I know you guys are gonna ask, well, how much was this kit? Right now it's on sale. It's usually $60. They're selling it for $30. So I was like, heck yeah. Especially with the new brush. Now you gotta be careful. They have this kit, two of these kits. They have one with the old brush and one with the new brush. So make sure obviously you want to get the new improved brush that they have. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this, guide this up. We want to clean the stains on the seats. Before I do that, well, I guess I could do the stains on the seats first, because I want to take the door apart and go and get the door fixed. Kill two birds with one stone. I said we go ahead and clean the seat first, and while we're fixing the door, it allows it to dry, etc. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the brush and the cleaner, and you need a microfiber cloth, obviously, to dab over it. And we're gonna clean the seats. We're gonna see how it comes out. So let's go out to the car, knock this out first, and I'm not gonna go through the process of showing you guys again how to take the door panel off. You can go back to, I got 3 videos on that. I'm gonna take the door panel off, and then we're gonna fix the Alcatel fabric on it. So let's head out to the car. All right, guys, here we are going to the car. That's the car, and now it's nice 4K glory. Again, we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you. You should be able to see it better, obviously, in 4K. The stains I'm talking about and what we're working with. So let's go ahead and get to the car door. Hard to hold on this stuff. Of course, it would lock. Right when I unlock it, locks, right? Hold on, let me open the door. Alright, sorry about that, door locked. Okay, you can kind of see it, kind of right there. Get closer. I figured in 4K it'd be a lot easier to see. There you guys go. Now you can really see it. I can see it on the camera. It's little stains right here, especially like right there. So we're going to see, you can really see it right there. So we're going to see if this stuff actually works. Also a little stain like right here too, right there. If this stuff works, I'm going to take this stuff out. Again, one person that sat in this seat is when I'm getting all the work done to the car. Obviously by now you've always seen the custom roof job that's done. Now you can see the it's 4K glory. Close look at that. I love that, the indentation. That's insane. Yeah, all of it, including the sunroof, all the way to the back, of course, people. So anywho, that's not about this. It's about fixing that door panel right there and clean this up. So the way they say to do, we're gonna push this seat all the way back. We're gonna spray this onto the surface, let it soak. Spray some onto the surface of the brush, and then we're just gonna scrub it down. And we'll see how it does. Rate this product. Again, I watched the video. Hell, if it could take stains out of a car that's been sitting in a junkyard for 12 plus years, it should be able to destroy this. But again, we'll find out. On this channel, I don't sugarcoat anything. If something's crap, I'm gonna tell you it's crap. So again, I'm gonna get this set up and we'll scrub this down. All right, so going other directions, basically you're gonna, as I've been doing, you're gonna shake this up really well. You're gonna spray this on the area. So you can spray some on the brush, agitate it, and you're gonna use the microfiber cloth to damp it dry. Now they say you need to go ahead and vacuum clean the area first to make sure you get out any loose debris. Obviously, I don't have anything like that in this car, and I vacuum cleaned it before the first photo shoot. So it's relatively clean. They say for you want better results after you damp it and clean it, vacuum clean afterward. Again, if you have like a dirty interior or anything like that. So you can dilute this. They say dilute it 20-1. I'm gonna use it as is, non-diluted, so you can see the directions for you people. There you go. It's just dilution 20-to-1, so you can dilute this in another bottle if you want. Could have kept the other bottle that ran out. Now that I think about it, and I went out of the another one of these bottles. I'll use it for dilutions and stuff like that. But we're gonna spray this on, and then we'll spray some on the brush. I'm gonna brush. I'm gonna do right here, right here, right here, right here. I'm gonna basically do this whole base seat right here, including this right here, and we're gonna see what the results are. So let me open this again. Hard to do this with one hand. Hold on a second. Let me open this. Use my other hand. Hold on a second. All right, we're back. You can really see the stains now. We got it turned on. Get the brush. You can't use it on any. I could even use it on this, but I haven't even washed these like I normally do. I'm gonna spray this on. I'm just gonna see what happens. All right, I'm gonna try to record me doing this so you guys can clearly see I'm spraying. Now, I'm not being light with this. I'm being very, very, very generous with this because I want this clean. So you see I'm not, like, you know, going easy on it, as you would say. I think all this is good right here. Pretty positive. It is pretty positive just to see people sitting down doing stuff. All right. I can smell it. It smells pretty good. Up in my eye. Sorry about that. Put the brush down. Spray some in the brush itself. There we go. I can smell this stuff. Switch hands. And we're gonna agitate it. See what this stuff does. This brush is really, really thick. The reason why you put some in the brush and stuff like this, like I didn't spray right there. Not right here. Put a little bit more in the brush. Stuff actually smells pretty good. Put some right there. Let's do some more. I think I own the product. I might as well use it. See all that? I gotta be careful, guys. So that's why you get the microfiber cloth for. It's that stain right there. Wow, there's a stain right there. Hope you guys saw that. It was right there. So let's take a step back for a second. See what I see. Now, if I look at it, you guys are looking at the same thing I'm looking at. How's it look now? Again, that's just one coat. Look right there was concentrated where the stains were. Kind of see a little bit, but not even like it was. If we take a microfiber cloth, I'm gonna damp it. I don't really tell you how many coats to do. Oh, so you guys are watching me. It's my first time using this stuff. You guys are watching. Now I'm watching. Alright, the whole time I'm talking, I'm not even recording. Oh my God. Okay, as you guys can clearly see, I'm staying on this side now. All those stains are gone. Stain that was right there, gone. I'm focusing in for you guys. Stain that was right there, gone. Remember, I even showed you this thing that we had right here. Gone. Seat is a little damp, obviously, but I would say, yeah, this shit works. See the whole seat, everything is taken out. Now, this product is good for fabrics. I don't know if it's good for Alcantara. I'm not gonna try it on Alcantara. Now, remember, I have that fake Alcantara. Maybe at the end of the video, I'll pull that out and I'll try it. It is fake Alcantara, so it might be too far gone, and it's fake. It's not real. Like this stuff is. This is real Alcantara. But we're gonna go ahead and take that door panel off so we can fix the door insert on that one. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry. We'll come back and check it at the end of the video as soon as we get that door panel fixed. Again, I'm not gonna go through how to take apart the door panel. You guys see me do it. You haven't seen me do it. I got 3 videos on it. Find the video on how to take it apart and take it apart. So yeah, this lighting stuff worked like a charm. The driver's seat, I don't have anything going on in the driver's seat. Driver's seat's good. Just the passenger seat, which is weird. But I guess people are sitting in the passenger seat as they installed sound system, roof, all that good stuff. So okay, let's go ahead and let me go get my tools so we can take this door panel apart.